Good morning. Next, segmentation. Segmentation means in some animals, body is externally or internally divided into segments. These segments contains serial repetition of at least some organs. Yes, at least some organs. These segments are called metameres. These segments are called metameres. This phenomena is called metamerism. Body is divided into segments. These segments contain serial repetition of at least some organs. These segments are called metameres. This segmentation is called metameric segmentation. This phenomena is called metamerism. Types of metamerism: true metamerism, false metamerism, homonymous metamerism, heteronymous metamerism, external segmentation or external metamerism, internal metamerism or external and internal metamerism, complete metamerism, incomplete metamerism. Metamerism or segmentation. First, true metamerism or true segmentation. True segmentation means segments are formed in the embryonic region. These segments are formed from the posterior region of the body. Last segment is called pygidium. Segments are formed from these segments are formed from posterior region of the body. Segments are formed from embryonic region, These segments, after maturation of organism, segments are not formed. New segments are not formed. This is called true segmentation. The true segmentation is formed by mesoderm. Mesodermally segmentation. Next, false segmentation. Segments are formed from the neck region. This is neck region. New segments are formed from neck region. The segmentation is throughout life. New segments are formed in the throughout life of organism. But in true segmentation, segments are formed only in the before maturation. In false metamerism, segments are formed throughout life of the organism. Segments are formed from anterior region. In false metamerism, segments are formed from neck region, anterior to posterior region. But in true metamerism, segments formed from posterior region to anterior region. In true metamerism, old segments are present in the anterior region and the new segments are present in the posterior region. In false metamerism, new segments are present in anterior region and the old segments are present in the posterior region. Examples of true segmentation is Annelida, Arthropoda and chordates. False metamerism examples is Platyhelminthes. platyhelminthes is tinea solium. Tinea solium shows false metamerism or pseudo metamerism. Next, homonymous metamerism. Homonymous. All segments are similar. Similar segments are present in the annelida. All segments are similar is called homonymous metamerism. Example, annelida. Heteronomous metamerism. Some segments are functionally divided into regions, specialized regions. These regions are called tagmata. Head, thorax, abdomen. These are functionally divided. Some segments are functionally divided into tagmata. These tagmata are head, thorax, abdomen. Heteronomous metamerism example is arthropoda. Arthropoda. Next, external segmentation. It means segmentation is only external region. Segmentation appears only external region. Only external. Example, tinea solium. In tinea solium, segments appears only externally. Internal segmentation. Segmentation occurs internally, only internally. Example, vertebrates. Next, both external and internal segmentation. Both external and internal segmentation present in the annelids. Annelida. Example, earthworm. Earthworm appears both external and internal segmentation. Internal segmentation is caused by septa. Septa divides coelom into chambers. So, both external and internal segmentation appears in the annelids or earthworm. Next, complete segmentation, incomplete segmentation. Complete segmentation. All organs shows segmentation. Complete segmentation means these animals shows all organs are segmented. All organs are segmentally arranged. For example, earthworm. Earthworm contains reproductive system, excretory system, nervous system. These all systems are segmentally divided. Each segment contain all organs. Next, complete segmentation. In these organisms, the total organs are segmentally arranged. Examples of complete metamerism is earthworm. In earthworm, all systems are segmentally arranged. For example, digestive system, first segment to last segment. Excretory system, excretory organs are segmentally arranged. Reproductive system, reproductive organs are segmentally arranged. All organs are segmentally arranged in complete segmentation. Example, earthworms. Next, incomplete segmentation. Only some organs are segmentally arranged. Only some organs are segmentally arranged. This is called incomplete metamerism. Incomplete metamerism. Examples, chordates, arthropods. Chordates, arthropods. Totally segmentation example is Annelida, arthropoda, and chordata. These organisms shows segmentation. Annelida, arthropoda and chordates. Next, notochord. Notochord is a flexible rod-like structure. Flexible rod-like structure. It is derived from mesoderm. Derived from mesoderm. It is the first endoskeleton. It is the first endoskeleton appeared in the embryonic region. First endoskeletal element is notochord. It is present between the nerve cord and elementary canal. Notochord present between the nerve cord and notochord. It helps for the attachment of muscles. In some animals, it is partially or totally converted into vertebral column. Some animals contains notochord. In some animals, notochord is absent. Notochord containing animals are included in chordates. Based on the notochord, animals are two types: chordates, non-chordates. Chordates contains notochord. Non-chordates. In non-chordates, notochord is absent. Non-chordates are porifera to echinodermata. Porifera to echinodermata includes in non-chordates. Next, classification of kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia, also called metazoa. Metazoa means multicellular organisms. Kingdom Animalia divided into two subkingdoms. These are Parazoa, Eumetazoa. Parazoa, this is also multicellular organism, but without well-defined tissue. Parazoa without well-defined tissue called parazoa. Examples of parazoa is sponges, the porifera. Phylum Porifera includes parazoa. Next, Eumetazoa. This is multicellular organisms. It contains well-defined tissues. These are high level of organizations, organ level of organization, organ system level of organization present in the Eumetazoans. Subkingdom Eumetazoa divides into two grades, radiata and bilateria. Grade radiata, grade bilateria. Radiata also called diploblastica. Bilateria also called triploblastica. Radiata means which organism shows radial symmetry. Called radiata. Which organisms performs bilateral symmetry? These organisms are include in Bilateria. Great, Bilateria. Radiata contains Diploblastica. Diploblastica means two. Plastica means layers. Two layers. Radiata contains two layered organisms. Primitive layers are ectoderm and endoderm. Diploblastic organisms are included in radiata. Examples of radiata are Cnidaria, Ctenophora. Cnidaria and Ctenophora included in radiata or Diploblastica. Bilateria or Triploblastica. These organisms contains three germ layers. Ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. And these organisms shows bilateral symmetry. So this grade is called Bilateria or Triploblastica. Three plastica layers, three layers. Grade Bilateria is divided into two divisions. Protostomia, Deuterostomia. Protostomia means in gastrula stage. This is gastrula stage. The opening of gastrula is called blastopore. Protostomia. Proto, first. Stoma means mouth. In protostomians, blastophore forms mouth. In protostomians, mouth is first formed. Blastophore is converted into mouth in protostomians. Anus is formed later, as opposite direction. Anus is formed opposite direction of the mouth. Anus forms later. Protostomians are division. Protostomia are divided into subdivisions. Acoelomata, pseudocoelomata, schizocilomata. Division protostomia is divided into three subdivisions: acoelomata, pseudocoelomata, schizocilomata. Acoelomata means coelom absent. These organisms coelom absent. Example, Platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomata. Which organisms contain pseudocoelom? Include pseudocoelomata. Examples, nematoda or Aschelminthes. Schizocilomata, splitting of mesoderm. Coelom formed by splitting of mesoderm is called schizocoelom. Schizocoelomates. Examples of schizocoelomates are Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. Protostomian shows spiral and determinate cleavage. Protostomian shows spiral cleavage and a determinate cleavage. Deuterostomes. Deuterostome means blastopore develops into anus In these animals, anus is first formed. Anus is first formed. Deutero. Deutero means second. Stoma means mouth. Mouth forms second. In deuterostomes, blastopore develops into anus. Blastopore develops into anus. 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 Mouth is formed later. Deuterostomes. Deuterostomes division. Deuterostome divide into subdivide. Only one subdivision. This is called enterocoelomata. Enterocoelomates. Enterocoelomata means enteron, gut. Archenteron pouches forms coelom is called enterocoelomate. Enterocoelom. Examples of enterocoelomates: Echinodermata 2. Echinodermata 2 chordates. Echinodermata 2 chordates. Only non-chordate. Echinodermata is non-chordate. Non-chordate shows enterocoelomata. Next, deuterostomia. Deuterostomia means deuteron. Deuteron means secondary. Stoma means mouth. Mouth forms secondarily. Anus forms primarily. Anus is formed from or near to the blastophore. Blastophore forms anus. Mouth is forms opposite direction. Mouth is formed from the opposite side. Deuterostomia. Division deuterostomia contains only one subdivision called enterocoelomata. Enterocoelomata includes enterocoelomates. Enterocoelom means enteron. Enteron means archenteron. Archenteron pouches. Coelom is formed from the archenteron pouches. Examples of enterocoelomata: Echinodermata 2 chordata. Echinodermata 2 chordata. Deuterostome shows cleavage, radial cleavage and indeterminate cleavage. Indeterminate cleavage and radial cleavage. Protostomia shows holoblastic cleavage. Pattern of cleavage in protostomians are holoblastic cleavage, spiral cleavage and determinate cleavage. Pattern of cleavage in deuterostomia is radial cleavage and indeterminate cleavage. Important classification. Kingdom Animalia. Animalia means metazoa. Metazoa means multicellular organisms. Kingdom Animalia divided into subkingdoms are Parazoa, Eumetazoa subkingdoms. Parazoa includes Porifera. Only one phylum present in the Parazoa. Porifera. Eumetazoa divided into two grades: Radiata, Bilateria. Radiata also called Diploblastica. Bilateria also called Triploblastica. Radiata. Examples of radiata is Nidaria, Ctenophora. These are diploblastic organisms. Two primary germ layers, ectoderm and endoderm, is present in radiate animals. Bilateria. These animals shows bilateral symmetry. These animals contain three germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Grade Bilateria divided into two divisions, protostomia and deuterostomia. Protostomia. Proto means first, stoma means mouth. Blastophore forms first mouth. in protostomians. Protostomia shows cleavage patterns is holoplastic, spiral and determinate. In deuterostomias, the cleavage pattern is radial and indeterminate cleavage. Division protostomia divided into three subdivisions: acylometa, pseudocoelometa and schizocoelometa. Acylometa examples platyhelminthes because of the absence of coelom. Pseudocoelometa, false coelom present in the nematoda or aschelminthes. Schizocoelometa, splitting of mesoderm. Coelom is formed by splitting of mesoderm. Examples of Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. Next, deuterostomia. Deuterostomia divided into one subdivision. It's called enterocoelometa. Enterocoelomata examples are Echinodermata, Protochordata, Chordata. Enterocoelomata and schizocoelomata. These two are included in the coelomates. Coelomates are true coelomates.